Hey, what's up? This is Vishal. I am back with another video. Today I want to do a review on CentOS 7, which is based on Linux. So let's go ahead with a command prompt. Lot many people might not know what Linux is. Linux is basically discovered by Linux Torvalds, and which was rewritten by entire Unix, but in a form of Linux. Okay, while the Unix is a closed source, but Linux is an open source where you can modify the code, you can make your own adjustments to it, and you can release your own distro by making all the modifications to the existing OS. So it's not a big deal, but if you done so, it's like very good thing that you can be able to make your own OS if you are interested in it. Traditionally, Linux comes in different flavors such as Fedora, Linux, Ubuntu, sorry, not Linux, Ubuntu, and Red Hat, CentOS, okay, and etc. etc. But right now, this is the Linux. So, Linux, and why we use Linux? Why we use Linux? Basically, this is the most foremost important question as should ask to yourself, like why? Why in sense Linux is an operating system which is far more stable than any other operating system out there currently. I don't know in future, but right now Linux is the most stable version where it can run without a reboot even for 1 or 2 years. Could you imagine a laptop, I mean a machine which was running a Linux for years without a reboot was to be something like great. No one would have ever done that kind of thing if they weren't interested in Linux or to create something very big. And this is the Linux, which is like entire thing was about to give a user a best experience and a crash free, obviously, and has stability which is as fluid as like vanilla. Okay, so let's go ahead and run some commands here. I will explain this home directory and every directory in another video, but I just want to tell you like the basics kind of things. Right now I'm running Ubuntu as a base machine. On top of that, I was running Linux by installing through VMware. So Control Shift and plus just to make it a little bit bigger. For example, when we are in Windows, we basically check on what directory currently we are in. In order to check that in Linux, we just have to do present working directory. So we are in home, student, desktop. So we are in home, then student, and in desktop. Okay, we can also change our directory by pressing CD. You just type CD, so it will change to localhost. We are in you know lowest of lowest directory, that is the localhost, but not on desktop. If you make any directory, it will directly create under localhost. Okay, so I just don't want to create anything under localhost. While in desktop, for example, if I make a directory, let's say soup, then you can see soup here that I have created a directory. And if you were to create files in a soup, then what you have to do is it's pretty simple. You need to we will be having a separate command for that, that is called touch command. This is touch. Okay, touch. Okay, touch, like you can create anything. Let me say what a bowl. You can see bowl. Just hold on guys, I will be back because I'm getting some calls. Oh my god, I don't bother. So touch bowl, you can see here. So where is bowl? Right here. I want to move this bowl folder to soup, which is pretty easy. We have a move command. While in Windows we have GUI like type of thing, it's a graphical interface where you have each and every option. Obviously, right here also you'll have the move and copy the files and folders, like copy and move, but it wasn't that much effective. I don't recommend you guys going through in that way, but rather I will tell you to use another command like mv move bow to the destination file. Move file name, and the destination file is the soup that we have created. Okay, soup, not that soup, guys, that you're expecting. So if you want to see whether the file has moved or not, okay, right now we can see the you know the bowl file was to be here, but it was moved to somewhere else. That was should supposed to be in soup. Okay, save this file. I don't know what's going on. Okay, you can see bow, but this clicking and things, it doesn't work out very well. But I'll just tell you how to look at the content on inside directory without having to manually check it. Okay, now we'll just have to move to another directory, that is the soup directory. Okay, sorry, cd soup. Okay, now just type ls is command generally used to check the properties of the file. Okay, then you can see bow, there you see bow. Okay, so that's how you need to check. For example, if okay, we will talk about let's create an hidden file. Okay, I just want to create a hidden file. Okay, and such that it shouldn't appear to anyone, only for me. So in that case, I want to create a file, touch dot marco. Okay, marco. Now let's type. So I can only see bowl file, not the marco one. In order to see that file, we have one more command, ls minus la. Now we can see marco file here. Okay, that's so simple. All you need to do is just type a command, that is ls minus la, or else ls minus a, simply. So ls minus a, these dot files represent that the files are hidden. Basically, if you type ls, you only see the bowl because it doesn't show all the hidden files. And let's move on. Let's create some files. Okay, let's get out from here. We are getting back to the home directory again. Okay, just type cd desktop. Okay, now we are in desktop. Okay, what we are to do is we need to create some files by using cat command. Cat. So generally, what cat command does, okay, you people might wonder what this command does do. This command generally tell you, it shows you what are the information which has in the file. For example, cat Vishal, it shows this is me. Okay, so in a Vishal file, it was there like this is the me. It was in a file, the text was this is me, and it was directly showing right from here. If you were to if you want to check, you can check it. It shows what's inside the file. Okay, so cat command shows what's inside the file. If you were to write something in the file, then you can append. Okay, then you can append. If you want to overwrite, then you need to use double greater than. Okay, wow, great. Then Control D in order to save. Just don't forget that. I don't know if it saves cat. Okay, this is me. Now let's type cat greater than Vishal. Hey boy, hey boy, what's going on? Okay, now exit. Control D, exit. Let's check cat Vishal. So you can see like, hey boy, what's going on? Cat. So greater than. So that's how you need to read the command using a cat command. Okay, I guess you have understood very well. Moving on to the next topic. uh, so now we are here to append the file cat, like I have shown you previously. You know what append is? We are overwriting the file. We are overwriting. Okay, we are overwriting the file. Hey Bob, it's been a while. It's been a while since I saw your boobs. Since I saw your friend. Where is he now? Okay, Control D to save. Oh my goodness, Control D, Control D. Fuck. Actually, I'm quite new to this trackpad. It was creating me a lot of hell of work. Control D. Um, where are we? Cat. Shop. See, it has appended file. You can see it. But however, I will show you again. Wow. Okay, Control D. That's it. Oh. Okay, Control C. Now, alright, cat. Vishal. So it's been overwritten. Okay. In order to write a file, first, for example, cat velo. Hey boob. Hey there. Control D. I don't know why isn't working here. Sometimes this is a problem. Yeah, let me try it once again. Cat. Hello. Oh boy, got fucked up. No such fucking file. Okay, I need to write file, not to see the file, which hasn't there at all. Hello. Okay, now I'm going to write the file. Hey guys. Sorry, I'm not good in typing. Hey guys. Good to see you. Good to see you, okay? Good to see you. Now press Control D. Control C. Now check cat. Hello. Now if you want to append the file, generally you can do that. How do you append the file? You need to enter double greater than and hello. Now I will write something. Wow. This is amazing. Psycho. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay. Now Control D. Control T. Control C. Let's type cat. Hello. Just to see. Does it have overwritten? Okay, this has been overwritten completely. So that's how you need to append the files, and you need to overwrite the files using the cat command. And for the touch, basically when you want to create any files, you should be using a touch command in order to write the files. I'm going to stop this video right here. That's all the basics right now. I feel that you have been learned something from me, or else you might have already knew all these things. But however, this was the session was about, and thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you have a very good day.